Elizabeth Fraser of Girl Gone Raw. I'm a raw food chef and teacher, and I show people how to make really yummy food out of really simple, wholesome ingredients. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a mango banana orange juice smoothie. It's delicious and so easy. So I've got one mango that's been peeled and sliced. I'm just going to throw that in the blender. I've got one banana that I'm going to peel. I don't know if you heard that. That was my mindfulness bell reminding me to breathe. I've got one banana going in, and I've got a cup and a half of orange juice. I've got fresh squeezed orange juice here. You just pour that in and blend. It's that easy. So I blended it until it got smooth and creamy. What a great way to start the day. And then one thing that's really fun to do is to peel and freeze your bananas ahead of time and throw a frozen banana into your orange mango banana smoothie, and you have like a really milkshakey consistency. So here we have it, our mango orange juice banana smoothie. I'm Elizabeth Fraser of Girl Gone Raw. Cheers.